team practicing on the ground, please come near the stage for a photograph. Both the teams, please come near the stage for a photograph.
DJ. Melroy, we are waiting for you from Yon. Please come. Lawrence is waiting to give you a trophy. Please come and join us. You are a promising player for Melroy. Please come. Wait. DJ. Okay, teammates come. Which team this is? Tarun Sporting, ladies and gentlemen. How do you feel about this tournament? All these years you all are playing. Come, one of you will have to come and give a bite for us.
Say something about the tournament. It's been my third year playing this tournament and it feels very good. We've been playing finals since last 2 years. So we are waiting for that.
Okay, how many times have you won this tournament?
Once.
What do you think are your odds of winning this tournament?
100.
100%. Okay, and what do you think the organizers should do so the climate conditions become good for you all to play?
Just water the ground.
Just water the ground. Okay, we've taken that point. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, Dazzler, we're waiting for you. Okay, wait, DJ. Come, join us. 4 to 5 questions I'm going to ask you all, okay? One of you will just wait and just answer this question. Team Dazzler. Okay, who's going to talk? Come, Raj here. Since how many years are you playing this tournament?
From past 2 years.
Okay. Would you like to say something about this tournament?
It is one of the best tournament, I guess, in Virar Vasai, and we have to win. That's it.
Okay, till what level have you gone in this tournament? As in, you gone to the semis or you come to the runners-up?
No, last time we lost in second round.
Second round. So what are your odds this year? What do you feel about the winning chances of this year?
Yeah, we have the winning chances, like 70% we have to win this game, and 30% like even that is also a good team to win. So, but we fought hard. We'll do it much better as we can.
Thank you so much. All the best. Melroy, we're still waiting for you, Yon. Yon B. Melroy. Malcolm. Blaze, okay, Blaze come. Blaze, join us. Come, Blaze, join us. Lawrence is waiting to give you a promising player from the losing team. Yon is Blaze. Join us, yeah. Malcolm, okay, come. Malcolm, to be precise, Malcolm is the man the promising player of Yonby, join us. DJ. Hope United versus Titwala. Please come. Take a picture in front of the banner. Line up. Give us your entry fee. Your match is next. Hope United versus Titwala. All right, DJ. Well, we have Tarun Sporting on the ground and Himanshu, Arif and Shravan playing for I-League, Santosh Trophy, Aniket Panchal, Naroka FC and Prathamesh Nitesh Division 2nd League, Mandip Singh playing for 2nd Division I-League, Bangalore United. So we got some prominent players coming here on the ground. This is, as I told you, an happening tournament and everyone is looking for this football carnival. Jesus Heart Foundation, 19th year in progress. We are waiting the 2024 trophy tonight. Let's see which team wins it. Hope United and Titwala. Please come and take a picture in front of the banner. I believe Titwala has joined us for the first time this year. So please come. Even Hope United is joined us for the first time. A bit of an interception out there, referee giving peace of mind to both the players. Play by the whistle. We are going to only say this. Play by the whistle. The referee decision is final. If we find you misbehaving, you don't have a chance next year to play with us. Simple as that. So play by the whistle and play discipline. Tarun Sporting versus Dazzlers. Oh, that's a penalty hour and it's a first goal. First goal scored by Tarun Sporting, leading by 1-0. Dazzlers yet to score. Tighten your blue switch socks. Dazzlers, time to show some skills on the ground. Well, we've got a player out here, Karan, playing for Dazzlers, the highest goal scorer as of now in Jesus Heart Foundation tournament. Dazzler in 2019. 2019, player named Karan. Hope United and Titwala, please kit up, line up, take your pictures, give us your lineup. Join us because your match is next. Heat is mounting, and if you want some beverages, we've got Khan who's selling us lovely golas, nimbu pani, so you can just go and have chill out there. And Trinity Stores and Granny's Kitchen, that's serving you quick bites. Match between Tarun Sporting versus Dazzlers. Tarun Sporting leading 1-0. Dazzlers yet to open the score. There's a call. There's a call. And again, I believe, oh, the Lady Luck favoring Tarun Sporting this time. This is the second penalty in the first half, and this has happened the first time in this tournament. Back-to-back two penalties, one already scored. We'll wait for the addition right now. There you are, all eyes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is converted. So 2-0 is Tarun Sporting leading as of now. And Dazzlers yet to look at the pocket. Hope United, this is a request for your team members to please come, meet us here, take a picture in front of the banner, give us your lineup and your entry fee as well. Your match is next, then we're going to take a short break and then come back after post-lunch. This is going to be the last match pre-lunch. And then it's gonna be a break for half an hour. And then the fun begins and it goes up to the crescendo in the evening. With the floodlights, we're gonna have the Above 35 final been played between Manikpur versus Yon. And the better team from these teams is gonna play the semi-final and the final. So that's much awaited hangama which is gonna happen here. Right now you're witnessing the match between Tarun Sporting versus Yon. Tarun Sporting between your Dazzlers. And Tarun Sporting leading 2-0 is Dazzlers yet to open the score. Still in the midst of the first half, Tarun Sporting leading 2-1. Dazzlers yet to open the score. Hope United are still waiting for you. Can you please join us and take a picture? Hope United and Titwala, the first time they are joining us in this tournament. Hope you all have a good season with us. Hope United versus Titwala. Vehicle number MH04L 3739. It's a Jupiter. You are requested to please move that vehicle, otherwise that would be towed. MH04, vehicle number 3739, to the left, Jupiter, please move the vehicle as soon as possible. Hope United and Titwala, please kit up and get ready. Your match is next. Right now the match between Tarun Sporting versus Dazzlers. Tarun Sporting leading 2-0. Dazzlers yet to open the score. We're still in the midst of the first half. A lovely pass there from the left, jersey number 14. And that's the Biggle going for the first half. So 2-0 is our friends Tarun Sporting against Dazzlers yet to score. DJ, some music please.
रिश्तों की डोर रे।
कितना दूर है आपका घर?
हमारा बस आ गया।
गांठ जो पड़ जाए तो उलझे दोनों।
ये है हमारा लिविंग रूम, ये है मम्मा की साइड और ये है डैडा की। उनको ज्यादा ठंड लगती है, बेस्ट रूम तो अब तुम्हारा होगा।
It's nice.
नो इट्स नॉट। तुम्हारे बिना तुम्हारा रूम हम कैसे डिसाइड कर सकते थे?
डोर रे सुलझी डोर रे, डोर रे सुलझी डोर रे।
Make space for new beginnings with Spaces.
पापा
गलती पापा की नहीं, उनके साधारण टॉवल की है। इसलिए घर लाइए वेल्सपन का क्विक ड्राई टॉवल जो जल्दी सूखे जल्दी सुखाए। वेल्सपन, लाइफ से मांगो मोर।
Waiting for Sydney. Sydney, please join us here. Committee member Sydney. Match between Tarun Sporting versus Dazzlers. Dazzlers yet to open the score. Tarun Sporting already scoring 2 goals to 0 is Dazzlers. Tarun Sporting versus Dazzlers. 2 penalties awarded to Tarun Sporting and they converted it. Back-to-back 2 goals. Some action out here. I believe this is the first time it has happened in the total 19 years. In one game, in the first half, 2 penalties. And right now, a free kick to Dazzlers. Can they make it? Win it to minute. This is a time. This is an opportunity. Be there. Do it right now. Oh, way beyond the bar that was. No difficulty for our friend from Punjab. They're just waiting below the net out there. Dazzlers finding it difficult to open the net, and Tarun Sporting leading 2-0 is Dazzlers. Welcome. Super football carnival happening out here at the YMCA ground. Jesus Heart Foundation, 19th year in progress. We're waiting for the trophy tonight of 2024. Maximum time winning this competition is V United 8 times. Tarun Sporting winning it for the 1 time. And as of now dominating the game with 2 goals in their pocket. And Dazzlers struggling it out there, vying all the ball, all the opportunities, but there's no lady luck in their favor this time. Thank you so much, James, joining us here. Can we have some your views on this match?
Good afternoon, King Edward out here. It's very hot conditions, but all the football lovers are eyeing on the YouTube channel, viewing this all over, not only in India, all over the world as well. And as you see, the game is progressing very well. Tarun Sporting is leading them. And they have been a winner once, I guess. What do you say there, King?
Absolutely right. 2 goals in their pocket and Dazzlers yet to open. We are in the few minutes of the second half about to finish, and then could be a decider there as to who's going to move ahead. But this time, looks like Tarun are in safe hands all the way. Tarun Sporting in safe hands all the way. Dazzlers, you need to do something right now, right away.
The Dazzlers need to really push hard now, where the game is moving on. But as you see, Tarun Sports have the most possession of the ball. They are not leaving any channels for the Dazzlers. Dazzlers are getting it a little tougher, but Tarun are the best at present.
The heat is mounting in, so as the match is getting interesting. The match is on between Tarun Sporting versus Dazzlers. Everyone is attired like they've come in Caribbean out here. The heat is mounting in. Minimum clothing, high living is happening out here at YMCA ground. Morris, I need to organize someone to give the balls, please.
The ball is back as well. The players are all set. It's all dusty, hot, and the game is even hotter. It's very well collected by the goalie. The ball is in position with the Dazzlers. Dazzlers taking it forward, passing it on. It's a very good pass. Let's see if they come into the penalty area and get something fruitful out here. But it's very well defended by the Tarun Sporting, and the ball is out of this playing area. Again, it's a very soft shot which was there. It's directly in the goalie's hand. Tarun Sports taking it really fast. It's towards the penalty area, but the ball is just going to the another corner. Again, the ball is with the Dazzlers. Dazzlers defenders tackling the ball, passing it forward, but missed by the player, and the ball is out of the playing area. It's very quickly. The ball is on the ground. Very well passed. Let's see if Tarun can get. Tarun Sporting can get it. That's a chance. That's a goal. What a goal. What a goal that was.
What a lovely finish. That was Tarun Sporting moving ahead. 3-0 this time it is. And as they said very confidently, they feel they're going to win this tournament. And this shows the confidence, and this shows the talent which has been showcased here on the ground. Three goals, and Dazzlers finding it difficult just to see the pocket, just to increase it. What a lovely match this is between Tarun Sporting and Dazzlers. Dazzlers looks
as you see, the temperature is high, but the Tarun Sporting is making it more higher. They've shot a beautiful goal just now. Now they are 3 against Dazzlers 0. So very well. Tarun are pushing it very fine. And then they are still, after even hitting the third goal, that's not stopping. They're trying for the fourth one. And the defender passing it on back to jersey number 12 for Tarun Sporting, passing it forward to the center. Center passing. They have a very great passes out there.